Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E400 convertible in diamond white metallic on nice brown leather interior. So we'll start here over the trunk. So it's got an okay sized trunk there for you. You could still fit a couple duffel bags in there, and then underneath there is still some more room for you to tuck things in. I believe this does come up when the roof is up, so that'll be out of the way for you. Over here we've got a Mercedes-Benz pocket. We've got the wheel lock there for you. We've got your spare, so that's all there. And we'll just close this one up. And we've got reverse camera, we've got parking sensors in the bumper, we've got dual chrome tip exhaust, we've got LED backup lights and parking lights and brake lights. So that's all there. We've got the AMG wheels on this, so nice looking wheels, no curb brush, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires. So over here on the passenger side, we've got the nice brown leather insert there. We've got the brushed aluminum finish on the door handle there and some of the trim down below. We've got memory seats for the passenger, power locks, power windows. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. It's nice and clean. And let's take a look for books. So we've got books, they're all there, that's good. That's perfect. And let's hop back out. So this one has the Harman Kardon stereo in it as well. And we've got the Mercedes-Benz kick plate, nice perforated leather, looks great. And then we've got the neck rest heating. So when the top is down, you can get heat blowing on your neck to keep you warm. And just close this one up. Perfect. And we do have 360 cameras in here, so there is a camera up in the mirror there, so that's there. And then here's your front wheel, AMG wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and drilled rotors. Looks great. So here we are under the hood. So this has the V6 329 horsepower automatic transmission. Nice power plant. Will give you a good get up and go, which a lot of people will enjoy in this type of car. It is rear wheel drive, so you will enjoy that. Nice and clean, looks great. And let's close the hood here. Have a look. So this front looks pretty clean. There's a couple minor little marks, a couple little guys there. Nothing you're not going to get going down the road. Outside of that, it looks great. There's a little minor mark here on the lower spoiler. And other than that, looks good. Nice headlights, projector HID lights with the LED DRLs in there, so that's cool. And here you are at the front wheel, so no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. And I also would like to note there is parking sensors on the front bumper too, as you can see there, so that's perfect. And here we are on the driver's side. So power folding mirrors, power windows, power locks, and memory seats. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. All right, here we are. So let's start this one up. Perfect. So this one has 80,362 kilometers on it, so nice and low. We've got controls for the information screen up there, so you can put your nav and all kinds of stuff up there, audio controls and Bluetooth, everything like that. We've got paddle shifters up here. There's your wiper control, automatic headlights, fog lights. Then over here we've got nav, so that's there. We've got the backup camera, and there's your 360 camera I talked about. So that's all there. And if we go, we've got nav. If we go media, there's your media, there's your radio, so that's all there. We've got heated seats. That's to fold the rear seats down in the back. And what else do we got here? Eco mode on this guy. Oh, so that's to pass you your seatbelt. So it has when the door opens, this guy here will come out and it'll hand you your seatbelt. So that's very neat. And then down here we've got dual zone climate control. And then up here we've got the headrests. Show you that goes up and down. So if I press that again, There it goes back down. So it moves the rear headrests up and adds that added spoiler there. So here's your parking sensor switch there, and then we've got sport or comfort mode here. And then if we flip this up, there's your roof control. So I'll show you the roof is working. So we'll go ahead and put that up. And there it goes. Perfect. There it is, locked into place. And we've got a window button here as well. So if we pull that, there goes the windows. There's your windows up. Perfect. So that's all good. And I'll just hop out and show you it running. So there's the top in good condition. Looks great. And here it is running. I'll show you on the front with the nice LED and projector headlights. They look fabulous. So have a look there. Looks great. It's a really nice looking car. And there it is. There's your rear LED tail lights. They look fabulous. Sounds good. There it is. And there we have it, folks. 2016 Mercedes-Benz E400 here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.